What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo. Yes, it is Bernardo with this long hair. Oh, it's nuts. Hey, today is all about removing Windows 11 search adverts using a group policy. So let's get right into it. There's a way to disable it, and that is a group policy. So I'm doing everything within my domain controller. Do not yell at me. I know for this example, I'm going to do it within my domain controller. Uh, and we're going to open up the group policy management console within the domain controller. Again, don't yell at me. I know not best practice to go into your domain controller to do this. Do it on the workstation, right? Please, I know. Sorry. From here, I typically like to go into the group policy objects folder and right click on it. This is where I like to start my group policy creation. I'm going to click on new. Let's provide a name and pretty self-explanatory. This is going to tackle the computer configuration node section, and we're going to remove search adverts. Pretty simple. This is what we want. We're going to click OK. We're going to select our new group policy. We're going to right click on it and we're going to select edit. Let's get into the computer configuration node. Let's get into policies. Let's go into administrative templates. Within here, let's go into Windows components. And within Windows components, we are going to locate search. Now, within the search folder, we're going to locate the following: allow search highlights. Double click on it, and this is it. We're going to basically disable it. Disabling this setting turns off search highlights to the start menu, search box, and in the search home. That's what we want. We want to disable that nonsense. So click on apply, click on OK. We're basically going to close this GPO. We're going to locate an OU to apply it. I'm going to apply it to my workstation's OU. So I'm going to select it, right click on it, and then select link an existing GPO. Let's pick our new GPO. We're going to click OK, and that's it. Give it some time. I think by default, group policies are pushed down to computers on the initial reboot or an hour or so. But give it some time. It should be pushed out to all your machines, and that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.